Watch this video and learn how to draw Mum and Dad from Bluey.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello.
Hello, Artie. Welcome the viewers.
Welcome to Artie's show.
You know how you like to watch Bluey?
Yeah.
Should we do a Bluey drawing?
Oh.
Should we draw Mum and Dad?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Definitely.
Artie wanna do? Yeah. Artie wanna
Okay,
do
that's
that.
what we'll do today.
It's great to see everybody today.
It's a real pleasure.
Well, it's a pleasure to see you too, Betty and Mikey.
Yay.
Okay, let's get going. So we're going to draw Mum on the right and Dad on the left. So let's start with Mum's eyes. Just a little black circle on the left. That's Mum's left eye. And then we'll do another little circle on the right. That's Mum's right eye. Awesome job, Artie. Now, let's draw an oval shape around those two black circles. One on the left first, and then one on the right. But let's make the right one a little bit smaller. Now Mum can see us. Hello, Mum.
Man, this is creative.
Artie is so talented.
Yes, he is, Betty. Now it's time to draw Mum's nose. Because Mum is a doggy, we're going to draw a triangle doggy-shaped nose. And we're going to fill it all in black, but leave a little space at the top that's not filled in. That's the shiny part of the dog's nose, because dogs have shiny, wet noses. If you're following along and drawing with Artie, here's a little message from our friend Bluey. If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling. Now let's draw a straight line down with a little hook at the end. That's the right-hand side of Mum's body. Now we'll do the same on the left side. A straight line with a little hook on the end. There you go. And a much smaller hook on the right-hand side. Now let's do the eyebrows. Nice big jelly bean shaped eyebrows. Connect them with a little line. There we go.
This is looking good.
Yes, it is.
Now let's do Mum's ears. This is two triangle shapes. One on the left with a little smaller triangle on the inside. And then one on the right. And again, let's do a little smaller triangle on the inside. Go on, Artie. A little smaller one. That's right. Sometimes Artie sings when he's really focused on a drawing. Now let's draw Mum's left hand and her little cute paw. Because really, doggies don't have hands, they have paws. Now let's draw a little square shape on Mum's chest, but make sure that the corners have little curves to them. And a line across the bottom. Let's do a few spots, because Mum has some spots.
Can you believe how high we are on this counter? I can see my box from here.
Time for some legs. Let's do a cute little foot on the end of that leg. All right, time for the right leg. And again, a cute little foot on the end. Let's draw some sort of socks on her. Just a little straight line. There we go.
Oh, quack, 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 quack.
You want a joke break? Okay.
What musical instrument is found in the bathroom? A tube of toothpaste.
A tube of toothpaste. I get it, Mikey. I get it. Okay, let's start drawing Dad. Very similar to Mum, we'll start with the two little black circles for eyes. Remember how on Mum we drew oval shapes around the eyes? Let's do the same here for Dad. Okay, how about Dad's nose? Another little triangle doggy-shaped nose. And remember, fill it all in black, but leave a little bit at the top that's not filled in. That's the shiny part. Okay, let's give Dad a mouth. Continue the line down and across. Now that Bluey's dad has a mouth, he can bark. Woof, woof, woof. Now, Dad's body is almost exactly the same shape as Mum's. So we're just going to do exactly what we did for Mum, but here on the left for Dad. Remember those jelly bean-shaped eyebrows? Let's do two of those. Perfect.
I met Bob Ross once in a parking lot.
Oh, you're so lucky, Mikey. I wish I'd met Bob Ross. Dad's ears are exactly the same as Mum's. So we're going to do a triangle and then a smaller triangle inside. And there's Dad's ears. Let's do Dad's left arm. Very, very similar to Mum's. Here's the paw. And then we'll go straight back up again. Now, Dad has a square on his chest also, but it's a little bit different because it has a smaller square inside. That's right, Artie. Do another little square inside.
Mikey, this is so much fun.
I told you it'd be great.
Now time for Dad's legs. They're going to be exactly the same as Mum's. So we'll do the leg down, the cute little paw on the bottom, and then the sock. Artie's singing again. Now, Dad has some little hairs on his face. So let's do that, Artie. Just draw some little tiny lines. And that's Dad's hairs. Well, now, you look kind of done, but something's missing. I know, they're tails. Let's do Dad's tail first. Here it comes. Got a little poofy end. And let's draw some hairs on it, like his face. Now let's do Mum's tail. Mum has dots on her tail. I think you're finished. Are you happy with it, Artie? Are you all finished? Come on, let's colour it in. Wow, Artie. Bluey's mum and dad look great. I love the colours that you used. Well, you did another great job, Artie. Well done.
I hope you enjoyed the joke break. We'll see you guys soon. Have an Artie day.
Yes, we enjoyed the joke break, Mikey. Anyway, little artists, we hope you have an Artie day.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.